Hey there guys, Immersive here. And today we are checking out the Orashare BS24 Bluetooth speaker. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's look at our speaker. It is made entirely, I think, of plastic and some rubber on top. And these ones on the sides are like fabric. So this part here is our RGB light strip. There's two, one on the right and on the left. On the back, this is where our charging port is. So there's a rubber cover. All you need to do is open it, and there's our Type-C port for charging and a slot for ATF card. So you can also play your music from ATF card. So on the bottom, this is a passive radiator on the middle. The passive radiator helps in improving the bass response of the speaker. And we have three rubber stoppers on the bottom as well. So let's go to the top and check our controls. So we have our power on and off on the center, plus and minus for the volume. This is pause and play. So you can use this when you are using or playing from a TF card. This one is for the three modes that comes with a speaker. This does not pair with an app, so you cannot do any adjustments on the EQ for the speaker. So you only have three modes here. So that there's three. You just have to cycle it from this button. So there's a bass mode, treble mode, and the mix mode, treble and bass. So it's here. This one is for the TWS pairing. If you have another speaker, another one of this BS24 from Orashare, you can pair it so you'll have a stereo sound. So those are our controls. Let's see and check how we can charge our unit so we can test the sound quality of the speaker. Let's go. So that's how we charge our BS24 from Orashare. Charging, by the way, takes around 3 to 4 hours. And you can use the speaker for 6 to 7 hours of playback on 50% volume. Because we have 2000 milliamp per hour battery on our speaker. That's why we can use it for that long period of time. Now that our speaker is charged, we can now test the quality of the sound. We just have to pair it via Bluetooth. So let's turn this on. So immediately the speaker went on pairing mode. You can see on the top that blue flashing light means it's ready for pairing. So you can see our RGB light on the sides. Go to the list of your Bluetooth devices and click on Orashare BS24. So we're now paired.
I'm so fresh like the morning, mouth wide open like they yawning. Every time they see me, they in G-Stride. Homie, this is too far. Homie, I feel too alive. You can see me like Illuminati. You can see me like Illuminati. But I'm trying shining so bright. Don't come and try to share some of this light now. Give me a beat and I control it like a maestro. Ladies on a mission, they be trying to get me wiped up. Shawty, wait a minute, can't tell if I like ya. Gotta make sure you know I have to shake it like a bartender. Team with me and they all winners. And you know we ballin' all winter. All summer jewelry around my neck is lightning, but I'm all thunder. Keep coming with it.
Okay, so on this track, we are going to shuffle between the three modes that I mentioned earlier. On the three sound modes, which we have on the Bluetooth speaker. So this is the button for it, right? So there's three modes. We're gonna cycle through that. So let's go.
Drive into the desert, let the vultures pick 'em dry.
And here's the sound if you turn off the speaker. Alright, sounds familiar? Well, I think if you know, you know. So there you go guys with our quick unboxing and review of the Orashare BS24 Bluetooth speaker. This Bluetooth speaker comes with a 20-watt powerful sound. It also is good on bass because it does have a passive radiator on the bottom of the speaker. That helps again the speaker to produce really good bass even though it's really compact in size. So that is good, right? We also have colorful RGB lights. These are dynamic RGB strip lights on the sides, both sides, left and right. In this speaker, if you have music on a TF card, you just insert the card and you can play and pause here for controls. Of course, generally we will use this for a Bluetooth connection, which is why our controls are on top and ready. The volume on this speaker is really good because it does have a 66mm full range speaker, and as mentioned earlier, for the passive radiator on the bottom. Unfortunately, we'll not be able to test the TWS Wireless Pairing because we only have one of these. If ever we get another one, we would test it and we would inform you guys. Last but not the least, this speaker is rated IP6, means it can take on some splashes of water and it will be okay. So you can use this beside the pool, the beach, or wherever the party is. You will not be afraid for some splash of water. And just for this video, this is really a very affordable speaker. This is a budget speaker. Please temper your expectations. It does sound good. It is a value for your money. We only got this online for less than 1,000 Philippine peso. We seldom say the prices of the item we are reviewing on the channel because we wanted you guys to see the value of the items we are reviewing more than being concerned about the price of the item. So we have to see value, right? If you have inquiries or comments about the speaker, please put your comments down below. We will put purchase links on the video description as well, or you can click on the links which YouTube would definitely be putting on our video so you can easily find this product online. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Immersive Views. Click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified once we upload another one of our tech reviews right here, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here.
You win. Perfect. Hadouken!
That's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and we will catch you guys on the next one.